How to make bofrot: yeast, nutmeg, pinch of salt, flour, sugar, brown sugar or white sugar, onion, warm milk, warm water, all into this one. The kind of flour no egu adena abefitinim. Afei de nafa yeast 2 tablespoons. Nafa wo nutmeg boba di minnem twiye no. Afei de fa sugar 4 tablespoons and say 5 tablespoons. No yeah. Na afei de fa a pinch of salt afra. Afei de kamfra. Afra say we now the unsuo ne mok no agum. Du egum kakra say de enye we. Ebeya mamu ayemre pa ama na ite mpampa no. Ti say so now the nsuo no bi aka ho. Ti say no manya tester na we a e ba be kata so. We are after the wakata so na dey see one place. Say after me man see ho for 1 hour, be say 45 minutes and I say 30 minutes. They say dey two aye ni adobo aye bebre. See the we are na awana aye se no dey na matwitwa no na odi agum ama ache na at the science be aba odi jeni ya kama pa do gba wonu na fe de party you watching for Bofrot na bion tem ka to ne simple pra we are so I kama pa fe shishime it is we na so follow method na simple beba arrive get the messiah there sugar am be gumneso until waiting day set up set 5 spoon waiting add be another 5 akam you know me den chia if you spoon em do mina we are o awza kukubia na mpampa bia we dey baba nyamisha no akasi na ma oda esundre ba